Today, we've got something absolutely mind-blowing in store for you, and it's as simple as it gets. Imagine raking in some serious cash with just your phone and an internet connection. That's right, folks. We're about to dive into a game-changing strategy that's not only easy but also incredibly effective. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, do me a favor. Hit that big thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and tap that notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting money-making adventures. All right, let's dive right into it. Imagine making money simply by using a free service called Chat GPT. Yes, you heard it right. It's like turning your AI skills into a money-making tool, and we can't wait to share all the exciting details with you. If you're as excited as we are, please hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. We're about to reveal how Chat GPT can not only amaze you with its capabilities, but also increase your income. So grab your favorite snack, relax, and get ready to join the AI money-making adventure. Let's get started. All right, let me tell you how you can earn $500 in just 4 hours. The best part? All you need is your phone and an internet connection. Plus, this method can be done from anywhere in the world. Here's the plan. We'll use Google Maps to find small businesses to collaborate with. You can look for these businesses in your local area or even expand globally if you can speak the language of business owners. Trust me, this is a straightforward and effective process. First, head over to ChatGPT and sign up for a free account. Then we'll utilize Google Maps to pinpoint small towns or cities with potential businesses. Once we've identified the area, we'll search for businesses that either have incomplete Google business profiles or haven't claimed their business yet. Furthermore, it's important to target businesses with limited reviews, preferably fewer than 10. This approach increases our chances of success. For instance, you can focus on local electricians or plumbers in the nearby city. You have the flexibility to choose any type of business. The main objective is to offer our services to improve their Google business profiles. Don't worry if you're not familiar with Google business profiles. Google provides a user-friendly free course that only takes 42 minutes to complete. After finishing this course, you'll earn a certification that sets you apart when offering your services. Did you know that businesses with a complete and regularly updated Google business profile are 3 times more likely to be seen as trustworthy by customers? It's true. A little effort in setting up your profile can have a significant impact on attracting potential clients. If you're eager to learn more about Google business profiles and how to make the most of them for your business, please leave a comment. We're excited to create a dedicated video that covers everything you need to know, from setting up an impressive profile to maximizing its potential. Plus, we'll share some insider tips and tricks to boost your online presence. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. If you happen to know someone who recently started their own business, like a friend or a family member, and you realize that they haven't set up a Google business profile yet, consider becoming their first client. Assisting them in creating their Google business profile can bring several advantages. It will enhance their online presence and increase their chances of attracting potential customers. By offering your help, you can not only demonstrate your expertise, but also build a strong professional relationship with them. This could potentially lead to future collaborations or referrals. Now, let's focus on how to impress these business owners and convince them to use our services. Our trusty companion, ChatGPT, will assist us in crafting a compelling sales pitch that is authentic and relatable. Our goal isn't just to make a sale. We aim to establish a genuine connection with these business owners because trust is the cornerstone of success in any business endeavor. Here's the game-changing idea. Instead of being a pushy salesperson, we'll take a different approach. We'll step into their shoes and introduce ourselves as fellow small business owners. By doing this, we'll instantly build a connection, making them feel like they're having a genuine conversation with a friend who truly cares about their success. During our pitch, we'll highlight the importance of optimizing their Google business profile. We'll show them how this simple yet effective step can significantly help them reach more customers, increase their visibility, and ultimately boost their business growth. But that's not all. It gets even better. We'll share real success stories from other businesses in their local area that have benefited from this approach. After all, nothing is more convincing than real, tangible proof. Now, once we have our list of potential clients and our compelling sales pitch ready, it's time to start reaching out to them. You can either give them a call or send them emails. If you prefer email, make sure to find their contact information on social media if it's not available on Google. But how will you get paid for your services? It's quite simple. Create an account on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, set your prices, and use these platforms to securely manage your payments. This not only ensures trust, but also adds a professional touch to your business. If you're interested in learning about Upwork and Fiverr and want to know how to get started making money on these platforms, I'd be happy to give you all the information and advice you need to kickstart your freelancing journey and make the most of these popular websites. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or have other skills to offer, Upwork and Fiverr can open the door to a world of opportunities and income. Feel free to ask any questions you have by leaving a comment. Now, when it comes to pricing, you might be wondering how much you should charge for your services. Here's the deal. For similar projects like ours, people usually charge anywhere from $300 to $1,000. However, since we're just starting out and want to build a strong reputation, it's best to begin at a reasonable price point of around $300. But we're not limited by strict rules. We can be flexible to accommodate various budgets and attract a wide range of clients. We can get creative by offering different service levels, giving clients the option to choose the package that suits their needs and budget. So there you have it, fellow moneymakers. I hope you find these tips and strategies valuable as you work towards achieving financial freedom. Making money is more than just a dream. It's a path that demands commitment, persistence, and a touch of creativity. If you enjoyed this video and wish to explore further about building wealth, investing, and unraveling the secrets to financial success, be sure to click the thumbs up button and hit the subscribe button below. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you stay updated on our upcoming money-making adventures. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Share your success stories, money-making ideas, or any questions you may have in the comments section. Let's create a community of motivated individuals who encourage and uplift each other on this exciting journey to prosperity. As always, thank you for watching, and until next time, stay determined, stay inspired, and keep working hard. Remember, your financial future is within your control, so let's work together to make it a bright one. Once again, this is the Digital Wealth Hive, your gateway to financial freedom. This has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy. Bye.